How to fix live option missing on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to fix live option missing on TikTok. Start by opening the TikTok mobile application as shown here. This will take you to the main homepage of the app. Once you're here, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will bring you to your TikTok profile page, as you can see here. On this screen, you'll notice various icons that allow you to navigate to different sections of the app. From those, tap the menu icon at the top right corner. It appears as 3 horizontal lines. A pop-up menu will slide up from the bottom of your screen, containing several options. From these, select the one labeled Settings and Privacy. You'll now land on TikTok's Settings and Privacy page. This section allows you to manage different features of your account. Scroll down and locate the category titled Cache and Cellular. Under this category, tap on the option labeled Free Up Space. You'll then arrive on a new screen. Here, tap the Clear button. This will delete temporary files and remove any bugs or corrupted data that might be causing the issue. If this doesn't resolve the problem, scroll again to the bottom of the settings page and select Report a Problem. This brings you to a section where different topics are listed. From the list, look for the one related to live features. As demonstrated here, select the Live category. The section will expand to show more detailed topics. Choose the one that says Hosting Live. Another page will load with sub-options. Among them, tap on the one called How to Start a Live. TikTok will then present some standard solutions you can try. You may glance through these, but for our purpose, proceed and tap the Dislike, thumbs down icon. Once you do, an extra option will appear labeled Need More Help. Make sure you tap on it. This opens up TikTok's support chat box, where you can describe your problem directly. Type a short message to explain that your live option is missing. Once done, send the message and allow some time for TikTok's support team to review and get back to you with assistance. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix live option missing on TikTok.